Today we're going to be baking Santa's favorite sugar cookies. Yay, let's do it. Add 1 cup shortening, half a cup of brown sugar, and a half a cup of granulated sugar to a large mixing bowl. And cream together until light and fluffy. Scrape down the bowl as you do. Add 1 egg. And 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Blend again. Next, add 1 teaspoon cream of tartar, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Start the mixer on low. And bring it together just until it forms a soft dough. Remember not to overbeat. We want a soft cookie. Perfect. You can tell your dough is ready if you take a little bit in your hand and it holds a nice ball. Perfect. I like to use a medium-sized cookie scoop and scoop out the dough and form balls. Easy as that. I find it's best to make all your cookie balls first. These are approximately 1-inch cookie balls, and I put 12 on a cookie sheet. Now it's time to roll your cookie balls into red and green sanding sugar, or you can just do red or just do green. You can even just do granulated sugar if you like. And put them back on the cookie sheet, ready for baking. These will be baked at 350 for 7 minutes at first, and then rotate your cookie sheets. And then put them back in for 6 more minutes. So 13 minutes total. I make these cookies every year. They're my family's favorite. Hopefully they'll become your favorites too. Now they're set and ready for the oven. Alexa, set the timer for 7 minutes.
7 minutes, starting now.
All finished. Time to cool and enjoy. Yummy, delicious. Merry Christmas, you guys, from my Kudos Kitchen to you.